What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I've been watching that Tiger King show on Netflix. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Watch the first episode. I swear you'll binge watch the whole thing, probably at once like I did. It's like a car crash. You can't look away from it. So I want to do a makeup look inspired by that, like a wearable makeup look. I'm thinking like a smoky eyeshadow with some like yellows and oranges in it. And maybe today I will be the Tiger Queen. So let's start with a Kylie palette, that color, right into the crease line. Kind of like a base color on there just for everything else to blend onto, if that makes sense. And now because I have no breaks with being extra, I'm gonna go right in with some black. If you want to be a fierce tiger, play along. So I'm following the contour of my eye shape, and I've got like a little bit of hooded eyes, so when I put this on, I'm gonna keep my eye open and look forward, or else it's gonna end up looking like a mess, like a hot mess. So I'm gonna start like that, and then I'm gonna blend it inwards. So I look forward when I put the shadow on, and then I look down to blend it together a bit. Okay, now I want to start adding some color. Going in with my Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette. I've wanted to use this orange for like a long time, and now I have a reason. Seriously, the pigment in this palette. Now when I'm shaping this, I'm going to keep looking forward, blending it in. I'm so tempted to go in with like a bunch of neon colors like always, but I've been really trying to keep things in the real world-ish lately. We'll see how long that lasts. Soften up that edge. Now I'm going to go back in and deepen up that black on the outside and blend that in a little bit more as well. Now working that orange in just a little bit closer. And blending that orange color out a little bit. Now for some fun. I wasn't sure if I was going to do a cut crease, but I can't resist. Gonna go in with NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, because I won't stop. Load some up on my little brusharoo, and I'm gonna take this a little bit above my crease line. I swear for certain things, your finger just works the best. I like this spot up here where the trail comes out just a little bit more. Kind of gives it a little bit of an edge. All right, now I'm gonna go in with a little gold color. You know what? Not sure I like how it's not really showing up. So I'm gonna go in with the gold from the Kristen Leanne palette. I swear this palette never lets me down. Follow the line of the contour of your eye socket. For that bright-eyed look. Going back in with this orange on the bottom. Some NYX matte black eyeliner. Just gonna pump up that top lash line a little bit. I like this brush because it's really, really tiny and I can kind of poke it in between my eyelashes. I'm gonna finish the other eye and then throw on my lashes, a little bit of blush, a little bit of highlight, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so here's the final look. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the look. Give it a little tiger emoji if you like it. If you don't like it, put a little broken heart emoji. Keep it fun. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making this look for you. Like I said, if you haven't seen this show, go check it out. It's like a car crash. You can't look away. And I can't wait to see you in next video. I got another one coming up your way. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little like thumbs up guy. Okay, bye. Yes, for you. All for you. Thumbs up.